Hello, my name is Mohammed and today I'm going to solve the practice questions for percentage. As you can see the questions on the right hand side, the question number 1 to question number 14. So before I'm going to start to solve these questions, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe now because I'm going to do the more practice questions in my forthcoming videos. So back to the questions now. So the question number 1. As you know, the percentage means per 100. Okay. So the question number 1 say that a pupil takes a test which has a total of 60 marks. When she gets her results, the pupils calculate that she got 90% on the test. How many marks out of 60 did she get? So they are giving you the total marks, which is 60. Okay, and she got 90% of the total mark. So very simple. So 90% means equal to 90 over 100. So percentage. So it means 90 over 100 is called percentage. So 60 times 90 over 100. So very simple. This 0 cancel, this 0 cancel with this 0. So it means her marks will be 54. So it means she got 54 marks out of 60, which is equal to 90%. So now move for the question number 2. In a shop, a hat costs 20 pounds. If the shopkeeper puts up the price of everything by 15%, what will the hat cost? So the cost of a hat is 20 pounds. And the price increased by 15%. So 15% means 15 over 100. So 15 over 100. Very simple. This 0 cancel with this 0. Okay. And 5 times 3 is 15. And 5 times 2 is 10. And 2 times 1 is 2. And 2 times 1 is 2. So it means the 15% of 20, which is equal to 3 pounds. And the original price was 20 pounds. Okay. So it means 20 pounds plus 3 pounds. The new price for the hat will be 23 pounds. So now move for the question number 3. How much is 150% of 3 pound and 50 pence? So very simple. Okay. So 3 pounds and 50 pence. And we need to find what? 150%. So it means 150 over 100. So the easiest way is that 3 pound and 50 pence, 3 pound and 50 pence, which is equal to 100%. For 50% is a half of 350. So if I say the 100% is 3 pounds and 50 pence. Okay. And 50% is a half of 3.50, which is 50% is a half of, which is 1 pound 75 pence. So if you sum this one, 5, which is 5.25. So it means the 150% of 350 will be 5.25. Okay. Now move for the question number 4. So the question number 4, okay, it says 1/4, okay, 1/4 million people visited an art gallery in 1 week. This number increased by 1% the following week. What was the increased number of visitors? So the question number 4, you can read twice the questions, okay? So the question number 4, it says what? Quarter million, okay? So first thing you need to understand the quarter million. We know that the 1 million means there are 6 0, yeah? So this is 1 million, okay? The quarter million is 1 times 4. So divide by 4, okay? So if we divide by 4, so you will get 25000, yeah? 250,000, which is called quarter million. Now they say the visitor increased by 1%. So 1%, 250, 000. 1% means 1 over 100. This 0 cancel, this 2 0. So it means if the visitor increased by 1%, so the number of visitor will be 2500. So the question number 5. Question number 5, increase 15 pounds by 4%. Okay, very simple. So 15 times 4%. So it means 0.60. So 15 times 4 is 60. Okay, so this is 60 pence. So it means the original price is 15. Okay, so the new will be 15.60. Now move for the question number 6. The question number 6 is the price of half kilo of carrots was increased from 30p to 36p. Find the increase as a percentage of original price. So increase the price as the original price. They're giving the instruction, okay, how you work out, okay. So they are asking find the increased price in percentage and the percentage of the original price basis, okay. So it means the price was 30p increased to 36p. So the increase of the price 30 to 36, it means increase by 6 pence. So very simple, okay. So it means increase in price percentage we need to find, okay. So 6 is the difference between 30 to 36. So 6 divide by, and if you read the last line, find increase as a percentage of the original price. So original price was 30 pence. So divide by 30, okay, and then times by 100, okay. So look at this one. So this 0 cancel with this 0, okay. 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 2 is 6. So 10 times 2, which is 20%. So it means the change of price increase in percentage will be 20%. Now move for the question number 7. The question number 7 is very easy, okay. How much is 6% of 300 greater than the 4% of 300? So this 6% of 300, so 300 times 6% and 300 times 4%. So it means 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, if you solve this one, this 0 cancel this 0, 3 times 6 is 18, and this 0 2 cancel, so 3 times is 12. So the question asks, read again, how much is 6% of 300 greater than 4% of 300? So it means, okay, so 18 minus 12, which is 6. How much greater? Okay, by 6. So now move for the question number 8. And the question number 8, find the whole amount when 20% is 100 pounds. Okay, this is important questions. Okay, so question number 8. So now we need to find the whole amount. Okay, as we solve the question number 1. Okay, so the question number 1, you go back again, the question number 1. Okay, it says find the 90% of 60, and we found that the marks she get 54. Okay, so just recap the question number 1. Okay, so I'm what the question number 1 was, okay, what 90%, say 90%, okay, so 60 times 90 over 100, which is 54. So I can write down 54 is 90%. So 54 is a 90%. Okay. So what is 100%? Or find the whole amount. Find the whole amount or total marks. Okay. So you go for backward calculations. Okay. So same as, okay, look at this one carefully, because on the basis of this I'm going to solve the question number 8. Okay, so look at this one. I said now 54 is a 90% of anything. Okay, so now we need to find out the 100%, okay, whole amount for this one. So we need to use this equation. Okay, so 61, assume we don't know. Okay, now so if I put the value x here, okay, as an unknown, times 90 over 100, and they are given you, okay, 54 is 90%, so the value which we know. Now we need to find the whole amount. So as per equation, okay, we know that how x times 90 divided by 100 equal to 54. If I need to cancel this 100, so what I'm doing, times by 100 both sides. Okay, this 100 cancel with this 100. Okay, and now look at this, 5400, and 90 times x is 90x, and this 90 times x, so I need to remove the 90 from this side, so divide by both sides, so 90 over 90, so this cancel this one, so it means this 0 cancel from this 0, so 9 times 6 is 54, and this 0, so it means x equal to 60. So x equal to 60 means the whole amount, okay, the whole amount, okay, which is 60, or 90%, 54 is a 90%, so it means the 100% will be 60, which was the total marks. So on the basis of this question, I'm going to solve the question number 8. Okay, so the question number 8, they are giving you, okay, what? They are giving you what? 20% is 100 pounds, okay? So look at that, okay? Same equation. So 20%, which is equal to 100 pounds. And I need to find the whole amount, which is, I say that this is x. The same way exactly you need to calculate, okay? So x times 20 divided by 100 equal to 100. So I need to remove first this 100, so sign by 100 both sides to get rid of this 100, and it means 20x equal to 100 times 100, which is 10,000, and divide by 20 both sides, so it means x equal to 20, 0 cancel this 0, and 2 times 5 is 10, so it means x equal to 500. So it means what? 20% is 100 pounds, so it means 100% will be 500. Or you want to double check about this one, look at this one, 500 for 20%. Okay, so look at this one, 500 for 20%, 500 times 20 divided by 100, 2 0 cancel this 2 0, and 50 times 2, which is 100. So it means 20%, 100 is 20%. Okay, so how much the whole amount? So you need to go the backward calculation on the basis of this equation to find the whole amount. So that's the question number 8. Now move for the question number 9. So question number 9, okay, you can pause the video and try to solve. It's very easy. Okay, says that what percentage of 2 meter is 50 centimeter. Okay, so the question number 9, okay, so 2 meter is 50 centimeter. Okay, so we need to find the percentage. So 50 centimeter to be converted in meter divided by 100, so it means 0.5 meter. So we need to find this percentage on the base of 2 meter, okay, times by 100. So you will get the answer, which is 25%. Okay, so very simple. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 5 is 10, 50. Okay, and 50 times 5 is 5 times 5 is 25, and this 0 is 0. Okay, how many decimal place? 1. So put the decimal place here, so you will get the 25%, which is 50 centimeter on 2 meters. So now move for the question number 10. Question number 10, a 400 pounds computer is reduced by 8%. What is the amount saved? Okay, we need to find out how much amount you can save when we buy a computer with the price reduced by 8%. So the computer price is 100 and the price reduced by 8%. So 8% means 8 over 100. This 2 0 cancels this 0. So it means you can save 32 pounds. Very simple question. Okay. So the question number 10. And now move for the question number 11. Question number 11 is, I put down a 20% deposit on a car costing 18,000. How much is left to pay? So how much left to pay? Okay, so the cost for the car is 18,000. Okay, and deposit is 20%. So 18,000 times 20 over 100. This 0 cancel this 0, this 0 cancel this 0. So 18 times 2 is 36, and how many 0 are there? There are 2 0. So this is the deposits which I made, 3,600. So how much left to pay? So what I'm doing, I need to subtract the original price, which was 18,000. So it means 1440, 14,400 left to pay. Now question number 12. The question number 12, it says the music CD at 12.5 each reduced by 10%. How much do I save if I buy 5 CDs? Okay, first you need to find the 10% for each CD, okay, the one CD, and then you times by 5 to get the answer for the saving if you buy 5 CD. So very simple, 12.5 times 10%. Okay, so you know that, very simple. So 12.5 times 10 over 100. So this 0 cancel this 0. So it means you can write 12.50 divided by 10. And when we move this remove this 0, the decimal move to here. So it means 1.25 pounds you are saving for buying a CD. Okay. So for the 1, and how many you are buying? Okay, you are buying 5. So 5 times 1.25, which is 6.25 altogether to save. Now move for the question number 13. Okay, this is very important questions. Okay, so you need to read this question twice at least. Okay, and try to make the answer. You may pause the video and try to solve and match your answer. It's not very difficult if you read and understand carefully. So the question number 13. What? Tom, Alex and Jay have 180 stickers shared equally. Okay. So it means Tom, Alex and Jay, they have 180 stickers all together. Okay, shared equally. Okay, so it means stickers, so total stickers 180, which is divided by 3 Tom, Alex and Jay, so it means 60 each. Okay, now move the second line. Okay, say Tom gives Alex 25%. Tom gives Alex 25%. So 25% of 60 we need to work out, which is given to Alex. So Tom is given to Alex 25% of his sticker. So I can calculate here. Tom, okay, gives 25%. So 60 times 25%, which is equal to this 25 times 125, and 25 times 4 is 100. So 1/4 of 60, which is 15. So it means Tom is given to Alex 25%, which is equal to 15 stickers. So Alex is getting 15 stickers from Tom. So it means 15 to be subtracted from the Tom. Now move for third line. Alex gives 30% of original sticker to J. So Alex gives 30% to J. Okay, offer original sticker. So original sticker Alex has 60. So Alex 60 times 30%. So 30 divided by 100. This 20 cancel with these 2. 0, 6 times 3 is 18 stickers. So it means 30% of 60, which is equal to 18 stickers. So Alex gives to J. So it means J is getting 18 stickers from Alex. So it means minus 18 from Alex. Now move for the last line. J gives Tom 20% of original sticker. So J 60 times 20%, which is these 2 0 cancel this. 6 times 2 is 12. So J gives 20% to Tom. So it means Tom is getting 12 sticker from J, and J sticker going to be reduced by minus 12. Now the question is saying how many stickers does Tom, Alex and J have now? So we already worked out now, okay? So we need to just simply add and subtract, okay? And find out the number of stickers they have. So Tom 60 minus 15 plus 45, 45 plus 12, which is 57. 60 plus 15 is 75, 75 take away 18, which is 57. 60 plus 18, which is 78, 78 take away 12, which is 66. And if you add all three, 57 plus 57 plus 66, which is equal to 180. It means your calculation is right. So this is question number 13. Now move for the final questions, okay? It's very important for exam point of view. Question number 14. So question number 14. Ali borrowed 120 pounds from his friend Patel and on the 2nd of January 2019 and pays it back 5th of January 19. Ali has to pay him back 10% of the loan every day for the amount he owes. This line is very important, the third line, okay? So Ali has to pay him back 10% of the loan every day for the amount he owes. This line is very important, okay? Has to pay him back 10% of the loan every day for the amount of he owes. First of all, you need to understand about, okay, whenever, okay, borrowing money, okay, or you getting a loan, okay, from anyone. So what's the interest if somebody giving you a loan? So interest is that, okay, whenever someone is giving you loan, they will ask you, give me an extra money because I am giving you money, okay? So, which is 120 pounds, okay? And Mr. Patel asks, okay, no, I need an extra money, okay? Because I am giving you 120 pounds, okay? His friends say, I'm your friend, okay? Why don't you give us, okay, just 120 pounds and then I'm going to pay back after 3 days. He said, no, okay, because I have a 120 pounds. I can give you this money if you give me the extra money, okay? Which is, extra money is called interest, okay? So this one is loan. So this is loan, 120, okay? And the money, okay, 10%, okay, of the loan every day for the amount he owes, okay? And the money was borrowed 2nd of January 2019, okay? And return, so borrow date and the return date is 5th of January 2019. So it means he borrowed for, in fact, 3 days. So how we work out this question? So first we need to find out 120 times 10%, which is equal to 10 divided by 100. So it means this 20 cancel. So it means 12 pounds. 12 pounds for 120 pounds. Okay. So it means the total outstanding money he owes on, okay, the 2nd of January they given, okay, I mean Mr. Patel gave him, okay, so it means the day will be count 3rd of January, 4th of January and 5th of January, okay, so 3 days. So the loan amount 120 and the interest has to pay on the next day, which is 12 pounds. So 3rd of January, the total amount he owes, which is 132 pounds. So pay him back 10% of the loan every day for the amount he owes. So every day, okay. So whenever you are calculating for the next day, okay. So you need to calculate the amount he owes, not the amount he borrow, okay. Not the borrowed amount, okay. You need to calculate the amount which is outstanding the end of the 3rd of January. So it means the interest for the next day will be calculated, okay, will be calculated 132, which is carry forward 130, okay, when the day will start 4th of January, 132, and 132 times 10%, which is 13.2. So 132 times 10 over 100, this 0 cancel with this 0. So it means 132 over 10, which is 13.2. So the interest will be 13.2. And the total outstanding amounts, okay, outstanding means the amount he owes, okay, which is 145 pounds and 20 pence. If you add 132, this is the amount he owes on the 3rd of January, which I carry forward, and on this amount you need to calculate the interest, which is 10%. If you read for the last 2 lines, they give you clear picture, okay. What if he cannot pay the money back for the next day, okay, then owes the amount borrowed. The amount is borrowed, okay, the 10% for the previous day, okay, the 10% of the previous day, and then another 10%, okay, his total sum. So we need to apply 10% the money he owes by end of the day. So it means on the 5th of January he has to return, okay, but need to pay interest as well. So 145.20 times 10%. So the 10%, one decimal will be moved, which is 14.52. So it means the answer will be 15972. So the money, Ali borrowed the money 120 pounds, okay, but he returned the loan, okay, 159.72 pounds, including the borrowed money and interest. So
That's a question for the question number 14. So that's it for today. And if you like this video, please leave your comments and see you in the next video. Bye bye.